Hi students, good morning. Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel. And by using this channel, I created so many educational videos based on the subject maths. And along with the maths, we just created Vedic maths also. And that one we are calling it as fast math tricks. And not only that, NCERT maths for 6th class I'm just solving. So if you want, you can just go through those videos and you will get all the chapters are going to be solved in that. So before today we are going to see one. Uh, so today I'm just going to plan to do a cool math trick. This is nothing but you're just going to guess the names with the help of some pictures. So that before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. Students, if you are new to my channel, just please hit the subscribe button and there is a bell icon in that. Just hit the bell icon also. So if you're going to press the bell icon, what will happen is you will never miss my updates. So without getting late, we'll just start the video. So please students, share, like, subscribe my channel. Okay, so we are just going to start. Guess the names of the fruits. A teacher is going to asking you a question. Guess the names of the fruits. Okay friends, so just try to guess the names of these fruits. I just given 10 pictures to you. So these are the 10 pictures over here. Try to guess these names. So I think it will be very easy for you to find the names of these. I know that you are very good in this. Okay, just try to guess. All the best. Okay, so I'll also try along with you now. So the first one is the first picture is a man and this boy is running. Automatically you can guess it, right? So it is nothing but your mango, because a fruit name which will start with man is nothing but mango. So this boy is running or going also we can think. Now in the same way, this is a key and this is a hand. So hand is showing only 2 fingers. So a fruit name which starts with key is kiwi. And the smiley is asking you to wear a mask. And this is nothing but, so what is the smiley is saying? If you know this half, and the other half will be very easy for us. This is very easy friends, because this is father, so we can say that papa. Yeah, papaya. Okay, so this is water and this is, okay, this is muskmelon, not muskmelon, sorry, muskmelon, and this is watermelon. And lady face XX. Watermelon, muskmelon, papaya, and tree. This is an apple. Yeah, pineapple. Because tree is also called pine, right? So that is the reason I said. And friends, it is very easy. This boy is running. Go. Wow. Because this symbol is showing wow, right? So Goa. Goa. Sorry, not Goa. Goa. And this is O. Run. G. Orange. And this is chair. With chair, what is there? Yeah, cherry. Actually Y should be there because cherry is CHERRY, but here they given E. Okay, no problem, cherry. So we are left over with only this one friends. What kind of fruit it is? What fruit friends? Just guess it. I am unable to guess the fruit name. I am not getting it. What is the fruit name? A lady. A lady face and wrong given. Okay, I got the fruit name banana. Because this is in Telugu we can call Bama, grandma, and na. So banana. Okay, let's see whether the answers are whatever I said the answers are right or wrong. We'll see. The first one is mango, and the second one is kiwi, and third one is muskmelon, watermelon, banana. Oh god, it took really a lot of time now. And papaya, pineapple, and guava, and this is orange, and this is cherry, right? So we will see whatever the answers we said is right or wrong. We'll see, because here we have all the best. So we'll see the answers. Oh wow, mango, kiwi, muskmelon, watermelon. Hey, banana, it is correct. And oh no, papaya, pineapple, guava, orange, cherry. Yay, I said correct answers. Okay friends, but you do one thing, you don't show these answers to your friends. And how you can play this game with your friends is just very simple. Just ask them to guess the names. Only up to this you should show. Yes, after this you should not show it to your friends. Just you should pause the video up to this and you ask your friends, try to guess the names and how many names they are guessing. But you should not give the ideas, okay? You just try to guess it. I hope you all understand this. I hope you all enjoy this. So please play it with your friends. Thank you.